This is how you're going to create a free modal pop-ups without Elementor Pro and Elementor. So first thing that you're going to do is we're going to install all the necessary tools that we need. So for this one, we have to install this premium add-ons for Elementor. So in order for you to do that, you're just going to head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then you're going to scroll down from the left side panel. And then from here, you're just going to find the plugins button right here. And then we're going to click on add plugin. Now from the plugins page, you're just going to search for this premium add-ons. Just type it here on the search field, and then from there you'll be able to see the premium add-ons for Elementor right here. So all you have to do is to install it and then activate this one. Now you have to also turn on the modal box for this, so just make sure that you set this up correctly. Now once you already have your premium add-ons for Elementor, we're just going to head back to our Elementor website editor. Now from here, we're going to search for modal box in the Elementor widgets panel and then drag it over to our page. So we're just going to scroll down until we find this premium add-on section, and then from here we'll be able to find this modal box. We're going to drag it over to our page, and then the widget actually comes with its own trigger button, so you can delete any existing buttons you no longer need. So you'll be able to find this right here. This is the button. Now to configure the trigger and content, so first we're going to do the trigger. So in the widget settings that you can find right here at the left sidebar, you're going to go to the trigger options tab. So you'll be able to find it right here, which is the trigger options, and then from there you're going to choose your trigger type, either button, image, text, lot of animation, on page load, or on page exit intent, which you will need premium or the pro subscription for this one. Now all you have to do is to select from the triggers, and then here for the content, under the content tab, you have two main options. So you have here your content. To scroll down, then you'll be able to find this content. And then from here, you can do the text editor for content to show for simple text or images. And then you can also do an Elementor template by clicking on that. And then here, this is actually my recommended one because this allows you to design a complex pop-up layout, like adding a video separately in templates and then add new, then selecting it from the drop down in the modal box widget. However, that would be a tutorial for a new one on how you can create a template for a modal box. Now, if you don't want a header in your pop-up, you can just look for the title option in the settings, and then just you can just turn it off. And then for styling, you can use the Style and Advanced tabs right here to actually customize the button's appearance, padding, and margins to match your site. And that's it. That is how you're going to create a modal box without Elementor Pro in Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.